I've serviced more Chevy Silverados than any other truck in my career, somewhere well past 500 over 35 years. And the most common mistake I see Silverado owners make is running the same oil in a 2.7 turbo that they'd run in a 5.3 V8, without realizing these are completely different engines with completely different oil requirements. If you drive a Silverado and you've been grabbing whatever full synthetic is on sale without checking which engine you have under that hood, you need to know this before your next oil change. I'm going to give you my top pick, a strong runner-up, a budget option, and the one oil I'd tell you to stay away from in Silverado engines specifically. Let me start with what the Silverado's engine family actually demands from its oil. The 5.3 V8, the most common Silverado engine, is a naturally aspirated overhead valve design with active fuel management cylinder deactivation on many model years. That AFM system operates through oil pressure, and the lifters that switch between active and deactivated states are hydraulically controlled. When the oil is degraded, contaminated, or the wrong viscosity, those lifters don't cycle properly. AFM lifter failure is one of the most common service issues I see on 5.3 Silverados between 80 and 150,000 miles. And in a significant number of those cases, the owner was running cheap oil, wrong oil, or oil that was long overdue for a change. The 6.2 V8 in the higher trim Silverados is a high-output naturally aspirated engine that runs at higher oil temperatures and demands a high-quality synthetic to stay clean at extended intervals. The 2.7 turbocharged four-cylinder, introduced in recent years, is a direct-injection turbocharged engine, similar demands to the EcoBoost family, including turbocharger deposit concerns and LSPI protection requirements. My number one pick for Silverado owners in 2026 is Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic. For 5.3 and 6.2 V8 owners, the gas-to-liquids base oil produces measurably cleaner engine internals over long service. And for Silverados with the AFM lifter system, clean oil passages and a stable additive package are exactly what those hydraulic lifters need to cycle properly over hundreds of thousands of deactivation cycles. For 2.7 turbo owners, Pennzoil's documented LSPI protection advantage from the gas-to-liquids base stock applies here the same way it applies to EcoBoost F150 owners. It's the right oil for a direct injection turbo application. You'll find Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic at Walmart for about $24 to $26 for a 5-quart jug. The 5.3 V8 in most Silverado configurations calls for 5W30. The 6.2 V8 in recent model years may call for 0W20. Check your oil cap. The 2.7 Turbo calls for 5W30. For the runner-up, Mobil 1 Full Synthetic is an excellent choice for Silverado V8 owners, particularly those with older naturally aspirated 5.3 and 6.2 engines. Mobil 1's track record in GM V8 engines is very well documented. It was the factory fill in many high-performance GM applications for years. If you've been running Mobil 1 in your Silverado and your engine is healthy, there's no reason to change. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 runs about $29 to $31 at Walmart. For the budget pick, Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic at $22 to $24 carries the API SP and ILSAC GF6 certifications and will protect a properly maintained Silverado engine at those prices. Change it every 5,000 miles for normal service. The budget pick performs on schedule. It's the owner who skips changes that gets into trouble, not the oil. Now here's what I'd tell you to avoid in a Silverado, and this one surprises people. Stay away from high-mileage oil in a Silverado with AFM, unless you're actually seeing signs of oil consumption or seal degradation. I've had customers bring in their relatively low-mileage 5.3s, 70, 80,000 miles, running a high-mileage formula because they thought more additives was always better. High-mileage oils contain seal conditioners and higher detergent concentrations designed to address specific old engine issues. In an otherwise healthy Silverado engine that hasn't shown those symptoms, the extra detergent activity can actually soften the seals and over-clean surfaces that were sealing fine with light deposits. Use high-mileage oil when your Silverado shows you it needs it. Oil consumption above a quart every 3,000 miles, minor seepage at gasket surfaces, blue smoke on cold starts. Not before. Here's my final call for Silverado owners in 2026. 5.3 V8 owners, Pennzoil Platinum Full Synthetic 5W30 at Walmart, $25, 5-quart jug. Pair it with an acdelco PF63E filter for about $8. That's the correct GM application filter, and it's well engineered for AFM engines. 6.2 V8 owners, Pennzoil Platinum in 0W20 if that's what your owner's manual calls for. Same store, same price range. 2.7 Turbo owners, Pennzoil Platinum 5W30 for the LSPI protection advantage. I've dropped links to everything I mentioned in the description below. The Pennzoil Platinum, the Mobile 1 runner-up, the acdelco filter, and the right viscosities for each Silverado engine family. If you want to grab any of it, those links are right there for you. Next time I'm putting Valvoline up against Pennzoil in a direct value comparison. Best oil under $30 for the budget-conscious truck owner who still wants serious protection. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.